Namaskar. Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, officials, professionals, advertisers, doctors and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable for listening the truth of life through the word of God. If we think about our nation and society, our museums has the indispensable role in showing the righteous path and future of our generation. We have a number of historical buildings and museums that are the source of property, source of marketing, source of tourism. If we will care, if we are in favor of these, tourism can become a great industry of our country. For the promotion of this industry, our present Prime Minister has started, initiated a number of programs for giving the employment to the population. It is needless to say that historical buildings are the monuments of our rich treasure and rare inheritance. Our present Prime Minister has built a great statue of Swami Vivekananda in JNU and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue in Gujarat, that are the property and his national heritage in the form of historical buildings for bringing the opportunities in the employment. From the tourist point of view, it is the demand of modern time. From the tourist, it is demanded that they want to visit new designs, new buildings, art, culture, techniques, styles, standards, manners. They want to visit. They are interested of visiting such places because our main and chief feature of our country is unity in diversity. So we have varieties not only geographically and historically, economically, but at every level, in every aspect. In art and culture, we have a number of diversities. Among these diversities of artistic objectives. We have oneness, we have unity by producing our traditional art and traditional culture, by designing, by modeling, by restoring the things. They are the embodiments of our past culture, customs and traditions, and archaeological advancements. But it is seen that some people do not pay attention to their duties towards these historical buildings. Many people tamper with their originality. They do not care, they do not repair, they do not clean them, keep them clean. That is the great requirement for reserving our past records, our past history for our future generation also. They write or carve something on these buildings. They forget that these buildings are priceless and wonders of the world. We have the wonders of the world. We have their names in the Guinness records, the Limca book, in the form of milestone and landmark. So really that are the part of our sources for learning, for enhancing the techniques in the different fields. Any damage to them will be an irreparable loss. In the different times, different cultures and arts have been developed. Can we forget the damage done to the statue of the Madonna by a maniac? I support a strict legislation. I support a strict legislation to save these historical buildings. It is proven fact that a casual approach towards the historical buildings is disastrous. It is said a node to the wise and a road to the foolish. Those people who are wise, understanding and responsible do not need any legislation. It is only the unwise and irresponsible people who take pride in overstepping their limits. They pose a threat in every field of life. If a law is passed where strict action is recommended for those who tamper with these invaluable buildings, it will go a long way in solving this problem. These defaulters